Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today we're doing an energizer morning quick routine. So roll out your mat and let's get started. We're going to start off with taking our hands in front. If this is difficult for you, you might want to place your head on top of your hands. Otherwise, bring your hands in front. Just stretching, just take a deep breath here. And just think about how you want your day to go. Maybe one word to remind you, because whatever you focus on is where your energy flows. So you might as well be intentional on how you want your day to go. You might just surprise yourself on how it can go when you're being intentional. And then coming up, placing your hands in front like this, spreading your fingers. And as you're breathing, looking up. As you breathe out, curving your spine, looking down, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine, look down one more time, breathe in, look up. And as you breathe out, curve your spine and look up. Bring your hands a little bit forward, place your toes on the mat, push yourself up, coming into downward dog, looks like a triangle, pedal your feet. This is a great way to just wake up the body, move from side to side. You might want to do some circles. And then push your feet down towards the mat. If your heels don't touch the mat, it's okay. Just do whatever you can as long as you feel a stretch. It's doing its job. So now just lifting one leg up and bringing it in front of you. Placing the back knee down and just moving forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, and then push down, take that foot back, take the other foot in front, going forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, push down, take that foot back, coming back into downward dog. Just giving yourself a nice stretch here, a lovely stretch on the back of your legs, your back and your neck. And then just taking one foot in front, the other foot in front, coming up slowly, stretching up, going back as far as you can, and coming to the middle of your mat, spreading your legs wide, stretching your arms out, placing one foot one way, back foot slightly slanted, stretch, and as you breathe in, you're just going to come back, and as you breathe out, coming forward. This is called warrior, so we're starting our day strong like a warrior, breathing in and looking up, breathing out and stretching in front. One more time, breathing in, stretch up, breathing out, stretching in front, and then placing hands down, both feet in forward, and just stretch out. And you're going to just come down slowly. Now you can put your hands on your hips, you can put them back of the calves or even the ankles, pulling on the ankles, and just feeling a lovely stretch. Here, take your focus on a point, just taking a breath here, and then coming up. Let's do the other side. So stretch, standing like a warrior, breathing in, stretching up, breathing out, Stretching, breathing in, coming back. Breathing out, stretching in front. Breathing in, coming back. Breathing out, stretching in front. Taking your hands down, placing your feet together. And then just spreading your toes, maybe lifting them to help you balance. Stretching your arms up, and you're going to sit back. This is called chair. So breathing and stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. One more stretch. Hands down. And then again, just coming down, letting your head hang, hands hang. Just taking a deep breath here. Taking a moment to just think about how you want your day to go. And then coming up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Just thinking about how you want your day to go. Remember, whatever you focus on is where your energy flows. I hope you enjoyed this practice, a very quick practice to start your day feeling lots of energy. And remember to think of that word, maybe put it in the comments, let me know what your one word was and how your day went. I hope you enjoy your day. Do share with anyone who you think would benefit from this class, who would love to feel some energy, some love, and I look forward to practicing with you again. Until next time, namaste.